BAE Systems has signed a contract with the Swedish Defense Materiel Administration (FMV) for new CV9035 MkIIIC vehicles, as well as associated integrated logistic support. This new contract will provide new build CV90 to help replenish the Swedish Army's fleet. These new CV9035 MkIIIC will replace CV9040 vehicles donated to Ukraine by the Swedish government. In addition, the Swedish government is procuring more new-build CV90 vehicles to expand Ukraine capabilities. The contract will provide the opportunity for other nations to join in the procurement of CV90 MkIIIC. These new CV9035 MkIIIC will extend the capabilities of both the Swedish and Ukrainian armies and provide crews improved combat awareness, increased mobility, protection, and lethality, said Tommy Gustafsson Rask, Managing Director of BAE Systems Hägglunds, which designs and produces the CV90. The new CV9035 MkIIIC is built to the same standard as the newest CV90 midlife upgrade program for the Netherlands. The vehicles will be equipped with a new turret which provides a leap forward in design and functionality. It also offers significant ergonomic improvements to benefit the vehicle's crew. The vehicle is built on years of combat-proven experience, continuous improvements, and data gathering from the CV90 User Club, which comprises the nation's operating CV90 fleets. BAE Systems' CV90 infantry fighting vehicle provides world-leading combat capability in the 20 to 38-ton class. It can integrate a wide range of weapon systems, providing all-target capability to land forces around the world. With a total of 1,700 vehicles ordered in 17 different variants, the CV90 has covered more than 8 million kilometers. It has been selected by 10 European nations, 8 of them NATO members, and has seen combat in Afghanistan and Ukraine, as well as operations in Liberia.